everyone. Uh, Topic which is going on these days is preparation of various salts from chapter acid, bases and salts, and it is the most important part of the chapter from which many board questions are framed. Preparations of the salts, common name of the salt, chemical name of the salt, and what are the different methods they are prepared. It is all a little bit creates confusion. So systematic study of all these salts preparation is very important. In previous video we have seen preparation of sodium hydroxide by the chloralkali process. Now we will see bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is the common name of this salt and its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. And you have to prepare both the names of the salt. It could be asked by this name or by this name, and its chemical formula is CaOCl2. How it is prepared? It is prepared with the help of slaked lime and chlorine gas is passed over slaked lime. So preparation is very simple. Only you have to remember the reactants used in this preparation. It is slaked lime and chlorine gas is passed over this lime that will produce CaOCl2 plus water. Calcium oxychloride, which is called bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride is very light yellow, whitish yellow we can say in color, and when it is exposed to air, it reacts with carbon dioxide and releases chlorine gas. So whenever bleaching powder is exposed to air, it will give the smell of chlorine gas, and that is the identification of the given salt. Now what are its uses? Because it is, the name indicates bleaching. It is used bleaching. Bleaching means to de-stain any material, especially paper and clothes. So bleaching powder is used in paper industry. Have you ever wondered this thing that wood is pulp, paper is obtained from wood, and first of all wood is converted into pulp that is brown in color, but your paper is white in color. So how that brown pulp turns into white paper? That is with the use of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used in wood pulp to make it white. Apart from this, it is used in textile industry. Again, for the same purpose, to bleach the textile or to remove the stains from it. It is used in laundry to remove the stains from the clothes during washing. And because it contains chlorine, because of the presence of chlorine, it is also used as disinfectant for cleaning water. Now, next salt we have baking soda. Again, baking soda is a common name. Baking soda. Then what is its chemical name? It is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also called, or simply, sodium bicarbonate. What is its formula? It is not new. We have done in properties of acids. When acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, so we took sodium hydrogen carbonate there, NaHCO3. How it is? We will see first its simple properties. It is a weak base, and weak base is also simply called mild base, but it is edible. We are using baking soda for faster cooking, and we are using it for making cakes, bread, etc. because it is the one of the most important component of baking powder. Baking powder which is used in the preparation of cakes, bread, pastries, etc. So it is a weak or mild base. It is edible also, and it is prepared with the help of 4 components. Preparation. It is prepared from sodium chloride solution saturated with ammonia and carbon dioxide. It will give two products, NaHCO3, that is our product of interest, plus NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. So when sodium chloride solution is saturated with ammonia and reacts with carbon dioxide, it will form sodium hydrogen carbonate, or commonly called baking soda. We have already seen it is a weak base. Now when sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with an acid, that is dilute hydrochloric acid, it will form salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Do you remember this property? We have done in acids. Properties of acid में acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate forming salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. And what is the observation of carbon dioxide? It gives brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence means release of gas with bubbles and hissing sound, as it is released in cold drinks if you shake it. Right? There is one more important question about baking soda, that is, what happens when baking soda is heated? Heating of baking soda. What happens when baking soda is heated? Right? So during heating of baking soda, you will obtain sodium carbonate plus water evaporates plus carbon dioxide gas is released. It is, so when it is heated, it will give another product, another salt. This salt is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, and this sodium carbonate is used for the preparation of next salt that we are going to study, another compound, that is washing soda, because washing soda is prepared from sodium carbonate. So when it is hydrogen carbonate is heated, it is giving sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So this is further used in the preparation of washing soda. Now there are some very important uses of baking soda in baking industry and in cooking industry. I have already told you one of the use, it is used for faster cooking. Faster cooking. For example, rajma, grams, they take lots of time for boiling. So if we add a little amount of baking soda into it, they get boiled earlier, right? They become soft earlier. And it is also used for making very crispy, tasty pakoda. That is of your interest, right? Now, apart from this, it is used in baking industry. Baking industry, everybody knows it is about the baking of bread, cakes, etc. Now here I will tell you one more thing, that baking soda is mixed with an acid, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid we studied in acids, properties of acids में. It is an edible acid. Baking soda is slightly bitter in taste. So when these two are mixed, they will form an important product that is called baking powder. Baking soda is not directly used in baking of bread and cakes. It is first converted in the form of baking powder by mixing tartaric acid, because tartaric acid is used to improve the taste of baking soda. It improves the bitterness of baking soda. So baking powder, when it is heated. Now what is the chemical process used in baking? Right, in baking industry, when we add baking powder to the dough and it is heated, this reaction will occur. Baking powder contains baking soda. Baking soda on heating will produce carbon dioxide. And what is dough? Dough is the mixture of bread or cake, right? So when you will heat it, this dough will start rising due to the release of carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas will occupy space and it will make holes in the dough. And when you will cool the dough, that carbon dioxide will escape and it will be leaving behind the holes where it was occupying space, right? So when dough rises, due to the heating of baking soda, CO2 is released. CO2 occupies the spaces or holes in the dough, and on cooling, gas escapes, and what remains behind? It leaves behind the holes in the dough. That makes cake soft and spongy. So faster cooking, baking industry में the preparation of baking powder and for making this tasty crispy pakoda. Apart from this, there is one more very important role of baking soda, that is it is used as antacid. Antacid is a chemical which is a kind of weak base which is used to get relief from the pain and irritation of acidity in the stomach. Acidity in stomach because whenever we eat too much of a spicy food or we overeat, we do not take our proper sleep because of our different lifestyles, when we do not give proper healthy food to our diet, there is excessive secretion of HCl in the stomach which is called acidity and it causes pain and irritation. So if you dissolve NaHCO3 in water and you drink it, it will react with HCl where in the stomach, and it will form sodium chloride plus water plus CO2. Salt will form. As soon as salt will form in the stomach, you will get relief from the pain and irritation of acidity. Right? That is the one of the important use of baking soda as antacid to give relief from pain and irritation of acidity. This is all about today's lecture, children. And two or three I think more salts are left. We will continue in the same video, in the next video, sorry. Keep watching. Thank you.